Homophones or not? Let's unravel the mystery. Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of homophones in English. We'll specifically explore the commonly confused ones and try to clear up any misunderstandings. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and often different spellings. They can be tricky, even for native speakers, but once you get the hang of them, your English skills will reach a new level of sophistication. First, let's clearly define what a homophone is. In English, homophones are words that sound identical, but they have different spellings and different meanings. They may sound alike, but their uses in a sentence can change the entire meaning of what you're trying to say. Misusing homophones can lead to confusing or even humorous situations. Now, let's jump into some of the most commonly confused homophones and look at examples for each of them. To, and two. To is a number. To is a preposition often used to indicate direction, and to means also or excessively. For example, I have 2 cats. I'm going to the store too. It's too hot today. There, and there. There is a possessive pronoun. There indicates a place, and there is a contraction of they are. For example, that's their house over there. They're going to paint it soon. Your and your. Your is a possessive pronoun, and your is a contraction of you are. For example, is this your bag? You're going to need it for the trip. It's and its. Its is a contraction of it is, or it has, and its is a possessive pronoun. For example, it's going to be a hot day. The dog is wagging its tail. Remember, the best way to learn these is by using them in context. Practice writing sentences that use these homophones. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about commonly confused homophones. Remember, learning these is not just about memorization, it's about understanding their uses and meanings in context. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using these homophones correctly without a second thought. Until next time, happy studying!